Hi guys! So we are in Bengaluru for something special. So we are at the Conrad Bengaluru Hotel, and tonight there's gonna be a really special event, which is what we're actually here for, which is a celebration of 50 years of diplomatic ties between India and Korea. So yeah, very excited about that. We'll tell you guys about that in a bit, but first I'm gonna show you my lovely suite. Look at this. This is the massive living area, and they've made this really sweet collage of us. The view is pretty much amazing. You see the lake from every room. Look at that. And this is the living area with this human that comes with the room.
This incredible view also is everywhere.
Then we have the walk-in closet here. And the bedroom that comes with this guy.
Get out of my way.
And this is really cool. They actually have our names on the glass up here. Look at this. And this is the massive bathroom. Vaibhav has really taken to the local look. Is this your new signature look?
Yes, I will be walking around Bangalore like this.
Okay, so yeah, we just got to our room. It's lunchtime. We've got a massive spread here. We have some lamb, some chicken, and some curry, and some fish.
Where are you going?
I am going for dinner, but my phone won't fit in my bag, so I think my phone will go as my bag.
What?
Yeah. No, I think it will fit. I have to just make it work. Or not. Okay, so we are finally ready. Vaibhav is looking very spiffy in his formal clothes, and
Spiffy, really. That's not the word you
we're
used
gonna,
earlier.
we're gonna be eating some Korean food for dinner. We're very excited.
Thank you all for your gracious presence. And on behalf of Conrad Bengaluru and the Hilton family, this is Vignesh Raj saying Annyeonghaseyo and Namaskara. 2 and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Ayana Dance Company.
I've been thinking, 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 I've been thinking about you. 아무리 고개 흔들어도 난 네 생각만 하고 있을 뿐. 아무리 딴짓해봐도 난 너의 목소리만 들릴 뿐. 있으면 내 here with me. 가득 심장이면 please tell me. 빨리 고백해볼까? 눈 감고 말해볼까? 미치겠어 only you. 이런 건 처음이야. 너무 숨이 좀 나. I've been thinking about it.
Koreans are respecting Indian culture because we wanted to show how we love Indian culture and Indian pop culture, because Indians love, show their love for Korean pop culture, Korean K-pop, K-drama and movie and K-food.
When in Seoul, we want you all to go back in time travel and go back to Seoul. And we are taking you at Nikusu to go to Seoul and experience this food today.
처음 본 순간부터 눈을 뗄 수가 없었어. 이 세상 하나뿐인 너 처음 봤으니까 빠졌으니까. Then you got me sinking low. 사랑이란 단어로 썸도 아닌 썸을 타면 친구들이 다들 바보래 사랑 표현 못한 덩어리 한 번도 안 해봐서 어떡해 honestly Cause 1, 2, 3 중요한 건 you and me 내 곁에만 있다면 Baby can't you see 자꾸 쳐다보면 뭐해
Okay, so we are back in a room and in a bit of a food coma. That was an amazing meal. My favorite was the pumpkin porridge, and it was like proper authentic Korean food. And chefs from Conrad Seoul are here for 2 weeks, I think. So anyone who's interested in Korean food, you should try this. It's so good. What was your favorite dish, sir?
Are you seriously asking me when I'm half asleep?
Yeah.
The pumpkin porridge with the rice balls.
Copycat. Good night. So, guys, that's it for part 1, but stay tuned for part 2 because there's a lot happening, lots of sightseeing, Bengaluru darshan, and lots of food. Yes, we basically ate our way through the city. Like this vlog, comment below and tell me your favorite part, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye.